In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email template in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your email settings and how to tailor the subject, message, and recipients so your sales emails look professional and on brand. Start by heading to the top right of your QuickBooks screen and clicking the Settings icon. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is your central hub for company preferences, and it's where email templates live. On the left side, you'll see a list of tabs. Click Sales. This section controls how your sales forms and related communications behave. Within Sales, select Messages. This is the area specifically designed for editing the emails that go out with your forms. Here, you'll see several options you can refine. There's a checkbox for the greeting. Turning this on lets QuickBooks include a friendly salutation at the top of your email, typically using customer details from your records. If you prefer a more streamlined look, you can leave it off. Think about your brand's tone, whether you want a warmer hello or a direct business-like message. Next, use the Sales Form dropdown to choose which form's email you want to edit first. You might see options like invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. It's important to select the correct form before you start typing, because each form can have its own subject and message. This helps you tailor language for different situations, like requesting payment versus confirming a sale. Below, you'll find the subject line and the main message body. Keep the subject clear and informative so recipients immediately know what the email is about. In the message box, write concise, friendly text that explains the purpose of the email. You can keep any placeholders QuickBooks provides to automatically pull in details like form numbers or company information, which saves time and reduces errors. Aim for a tone that matches your brand, and consider including a brief thank you or a short note about payment terms, if appropriate. You'll also see fields for CC and BCC. Use CC when you want additional recipients to openly receive the message, and BCC when you need to keep recipients private. Add only the addresses that truly need the email to avoid clutter and protect privacy. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. This applies your edits so that future emails for the selected sales form use your updated subject, message, and recipient settings. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and fully under your control.